Roger.
And so we allow them to win one set.
Roger.
You know, and we win the other, and then we show them who is the best of the best.
Roger.
Because we don't know that Roger's house is the creme de la creme of this institution.
Roger.
If you notice in the end what happened, what took place, is that he was playing the ball at a very moderate pace.
Roger.
And what we did is that we switch up the field.
Roger.